The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy Note10 Plus is now on Verizon Prepaid services. It's available now, it's available in 3 colors. You guys have gold, glow, white, and black there. So that's really nice. The glow looks very nice. It's colorful and reflective and all that. The Note10 Plus is available in 2 storage options, 256 gigs for $10.99, or 512 gigs for $11.99. No contract, of course. So there you have it. This is on Verizon Prepaid service, of course. So yeah, this is a Note10 Plus. So you guys see the front right there. You just have your punch out for the front facing camera. Your power button on the left side, so are your volume keys. So that's interesting that they put their power button on the left side. It's kind of interesting, you know. It'll take some time to get used to that. But there's the front there. It looks very nice. It's front of course, there's left side, and just have your power and volume keys there. On the back of the Galaxy Note10 Plus, you guys have the Samsung logo, your camera flash, and you have a couple of different stuff here. You guys have the telephoto camera lens, a wide angle camera, and your main camera lens on the back. It's available in black, white, or blue there. So yeah, there's your left side. Right side has nothing. There's your S Pen, looks very nice. There's your S Pen there. So you just have a little button on there, so yeah. So introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus Prepaid built-in price, the trim and seamless smartphone. It is a super fast processor and all-screen design with nearly zero bezel. Capture your next creation using a cinematic camera with advanced video and photo editing tools. Enjoy a full day of power or more on an intelligent 4,300 mAh battery that adjusts to your routine, and perform remote intuitive gestures with the newest evolution of S Pen. Unleash the full potential of your Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus with Verizon, America's most awarded network. Here you guys have it. So the Galaxy Note10 Plus has 15.4 days of standby time, 40.86 hours of usage time, 16 megapixel main camera with flash, 3.4 inches in width and 6.39 inches in height. There you are. So this has a 4,300 mAh battery, big battery in the phone, so that's really good. So it says an intelligent all-day battery. Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus 4,300 mAh battery runs your routine and uses it to optimize power and improve performance throughout the day. Using super fast charge, you can get back hours of power with just minutes of charge. So that is really nice to have. So if you guys need any quick top up, the Galaxy Note10 Plus will get you that. Cinema quality display. Elevate everything you watch on an expansive cinematic infinity display with its AMOLED screen, with its AMOLED Plus screen, and nearly invisible bezels. With nearly invisible bezels, Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus gives you a rich and seamless entertainment experience. The next generation of S Pen. Control your Samsung smartphone like never before. Clip and write on screenshots. Take notes without locking, or convert handwritten notes to text in Microsoft Word. But with the Samsung S Pen, more power is at your fingertips. So the S Pen has a lot more features this year. Obviously it's more advanced and more powerful and stuff like that, so that's nice. Prepaid video and video. The Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus high-powered studio lenses capture stunning photos in every light. Take ultra-wide sweeping landscape shots or snap to the micro zoom lens for a capturing far off details. Then record in HDR10 Plus. Video quality complete with live focus and video bokeh for real life depth in every frame mentioned. So nice. Effortless voice control. Bluetooth gestures lets you control your phone with quick intuitive movements from your S Pen. Capture the perfect group shot with the click of the remote, start a button, or play games using unique and precise controls on your stylus. So like I said, the S Pen has a lot of features this year. It has a lot more advanced features, so the S Pen is very useful. So use it. Zoom in mic. When typical devices record also running noises, audio zoom uses 3 separate mics to capture sound within the field of view in which you are capturing video. As you zoom, the range of sounds captures and focuses. So this is really cool. So this thing has like a zoom mic, so if you're trying to zoom in on something, it will capture whatever you're zooming on, so it will capture less background noise, so that's really good when you're trying to capture videos and stuff. So it's really nice to have that feature. I wish all phones had it, but it's a nice feature to have. I'll share the power. This does have the power share feature like it did on the Samsung Galaxy S10. So it says share the power, send an extra boost of battery to another Samsung smartphones, Galaxy Buds, and more. Just touch your compatible device to the back of your Galaxy Note10 Plus and wireless power share does the rest. Upgrade to the big screen. Work seamlessly between your phone and laptop with the new evolution of DeX Live for PC and Mac. With a simple USB connection, the DeX gives you the functionality of mobile and desktop apps and the ability to drag and drop freely between devices. So this does have a newer generation of Samsung DeX, which is really nice. Samsung DeX is really cool. So Samsung has been doing a great job with that, and it seems like a lot of people like DeX, so they are going to keep improving it. So good job Samsung for that. So the specs on this phone obviously is a flagship phone, of course. This is the 4G version of the Galaxy Note 10. There is no 5G Note 10 Plus on Verizon just yet, because Verizon Prepaid does not offer 5G just yet. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it's a world device which lets you use it in over 200 countries. Like I said, it's not 5G, it's 4G LTE version. So it has LTE Advanced, which with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 days from coast to coast, and stuff like that. 15.4 days of standby time, 40.86 hours of usage time, 16 megapixel main camera on back with flash and 4K video, 10 megapixel front camera with 4K video. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is 3.4 inches in width. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus weighs 6.91 ounces, so it's a bit hefty. A bit more heavier than the Galaxy Note 10, of course, by like an ounce or two. So yeah, it's using a bigger battery and stuff like that, so that's why. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has 6.39 inches in height. The depth is 0.31 inches. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has the biggest display ever. The Galaxy Note 10 has the biggest display ever on a Note device. The Note 10 Plus has a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. So this is the biggest display ever on a Samsung Note device. So that's really nice. It has 4,000 mAh battery, Android Pie with One UI, 12 gigs of RAM, You have 256 gigabytes of RAM or 512 gigabytes of RAM there. You do have micro SD card expansion up to 1 terabyte. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does have a micro SD card. In the digital network starter, global network standard processor Snapdragon 855 octa-core, Wi-Fi 8 to 11 BGN ACAX, which is new. Wi-Fi aware, dual band Wi-Fi, has HD voice with logic expansion, HD voice, video call, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi call, and when it calls in the way, you have a Wi-Fi connection. So you do have that. If you guys need help with your Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Verizon is here to help you with that. If you guys need to learn how to help Bluetooth, email, Wi-Fi, or anything like that on the Note 10 Plus, Verizon is here to help you with that. With device support, so check it out if you guys ever need help with another feature on your phone. Device support is a great tool to check out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So what you guys get in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus box is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 prepaid smartphone, prints on SIM card, 4,300 mAh battery, which is embedded in the phone. You do get advanced S Pen, wall USB connector, micro USB connector, which is Type C. So it's Type C, guys. It's Type C. You get a stereo headset, which is AKG headset and shit. Some key, USB connector, quick reference guide, ICSI brochure. I'm not sure what that is in terms of conditions, of course. So there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is available on Verizon Prepaid service. It's available on 2 storage options: 256 gigs for $10.99 or 512 gigs for $11.99 in context, of course. So if you guys are looking to get the Galaxy Note 10 Plus on prepaid, Verizon has you covered with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really has me all up. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.